This is a fit for a 2015 through 2018 and likely beyond Chevrolet Colorado Crew Cab. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack Pioneer Platform RLT Ditch Mount. This system is using the Pioneer Platform, which measures 60 inches in length, 49 inches wide, and 1.5 inches thick. It's constructed with extruded aluminum and a durable powder coat finish, reinforced corner brackets. Each of the planks offer a track to accommodate a wide range of off-road and recreational accessories. This platform is supported using the RLT600 Quick Mount legs, which include locks. That connects to the ditch brackets, which require drilling into the ditch channel, providing an exceptionally strong fit to the vehicle, which offers 220 pounds of a dynamic load capacity, as well as 530 pounds static load capacity. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.